Hi, welcome to the mid-semester report for the Team LoveToWork. Next, please. Here we'll be discussing about the progress in terms of the input data sets and our question generation module. Next, please.
So for the question generation module, we use a unified text-to-text transformer, which is a framework that converts all text-based language problems into a text-to-text format. It, it utilizes transfer learning, which is basically that we use a pre-trained model on a data-rich task before fine-tuning it for a downstream task, such that we use the same model with the same loss function and hyperparameters across all different tasks. And it does so by addition of a task specific text prefix to the original input that's fed into the model, and this also works as the hyperparameter for the model. It does so by using a encoder decoder architecture where encoder is trained in the BERT style with a fully visible method, while a decoder is trained in a GPT style using a causal approach, while the other approaches are not used.
And to train the T5 transformer, we chose the Stanford question answering dataset. The original JSON file from the dataset is processed into data frames. A total of 70,000 instances are used for training, and each instance consists a context article and its associated questions. For question generation task, the T5 transformer is pre-trained, and we train the model for 10 epochs using cross entropy loss with stochastic gradient descent. And a scheduler is used for linearly decreasing the learning rate. To evaluate the model, we fed the articles from the development data into the fine-tuned T5 model, and the questions generated are shown in the table below.
We have initially proposed to work with the ErnieGen, but instead we chose to work with the unified text-to-text transformer with various reasons. And also we will be implementing the evaluation matrix in the upcoming stages. Next, please. So in the later part, we'll be discussing about the question answering module, developing our own grammar checker, and discuss about the performance for all those modules.